If you love travel hacks and insider secrets that make flying easier and more enjoyable, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing 15 free things you probably didn't know you could ask for on a flight, and some of them might really surprise you. From snacks to souvenirs to comfort items, these perks are available on many flights. You just have to know to ask. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip that can upgrade your journey without costing a dime. Let's get into it. 1. Ask for the full can of soda or juice. Most of the time, you'll get a small plastic cup of soda, but you can politely request the full can. And if supplies allow, the crew will usually hand it over. It's a small but refreshing win, especially on longer flights when one tiny cup just isn't enough. 2. Request extra snacks. If you're still hungry after your first bag of pretzels or cookies, you can absolutely ask for more. Flight attendants often have leftover snacks, and if they're available, they'll usually give you a second or even third round. 3. Get basic first aid items. Whether it's a headache, small cut, or motion sickness, flight crews carry basic first aid kits. You can ask for band-aids, aspirin, or even nausea tablets, and they'll usually be happy to help you feel more comfortable. 4. Score a kid's activity pack, even as an adult. Airlines often carry kids' kits filled with crayons, puzzles, or coloring books. Even if you don't have a child with you, you can ask for one. They make fun souvenirs, or even a great way to kill time mid-flight. 5. Request a travel comfort kit. Long-haul or international flights sometimes have extra eye masks, toothbrushes, socks, and earplugs, even in economy class. They're not always offered automatically, so don't hesitate to ask. A comfort kit can make a world of difference on a long journey. 6. Ask for hot water for your own food or drink. Bring your own instant noodles, oatmeal, or tea bags, and flight attendants will usually give you hot water for free. It's a budget traveler's classic trick. Just make sure your items are sealed and easy to handle on board. 7. Request an extra blanket or pillow. Feeling chilly or just want more neck support? Ask if there are any extra blankets or pillows available. Supplies are limited, so it helps to ask early, but if they have them, they'll likely share. 8. Ask for a wings pin or airline souvenir. Some airlines still offer those nostalgic gold wings pins, and yes, you can still ask for one even if you're not a kid. Many flight attendants appreciate aviation fans and might even give you branded keepsakes if you ask politely. 9. Inquire about extra meals. Missed your first meal? Or just still hungry? Ask if any unused meals are left after service. Some passengers skip meals altogether, and flight crews are often happy to give you one if there's extra. 10. Request headphones if you don't have any. If you didn't bring your own, or your headphones died mid-flight, you can usually ask for a spare set. They might not be premium quality, but they're great for movies or music until you land. 11. Ask for sanitizing wipes or napkins. Need to clean a messy tray table or wipe your hands? Most flights stock sanitizing wipes or wet towels, especially post-pandemic. Just ask, and the crew will gladly bring you what you need. 12. Politely ask for a seat change after takeoff. Once boarding is complete and the seatbelt sign goes off, look around. If there are empty rows, you can ask to move to a better seat. As long as it doesn't interfere with weight distribution or exit rows, the crew will often say yes. 13. Celebrate a special occasion. Got a birthday, anniversary, or honeymoon? Let the crew know. Sometimes they'll offer a small celebration like a dessert, a note, or even a cabin-wide shout-out. You never know unless you ask. 14. Ask to visit the cockpit after landing. If you're curious about flying, you can ask to visit the cockpit after the plane lands. Some pilots are happy to show off the flight deck and explain the controls, especially if you're polite and enthusiastic. 15. Ask for help with connections or special needs. Tight layover. Need wheelchair assistance? Don't wait until you land. Let the crew know mid-flight. They can coordinate with the ground staff to make sure you get help quickly and avoid missing your next flight. And that's your list of 15 free things you can ask for on your next flight. Most people never realize these are available. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or preparing for your first trip, remember, it never hurts to ask. Which one surprised you the most? Or have you tried any of these already? Drop your experiences in the comments. We love hearing from fellow travelers. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, flight secrets, and destination guides coming your way every week. Until next time, safe travels and happy flying.